adom yen obasa ne nkunimdie ayaresa hwesi akwa ho san ya wori a che yen anopai senya wadaburo ma ankentimi ansore etimi hwe ifri ayi January busumi de babeduru sabre nkunimdie nsa ya wori adom yen ya wasra hwe enhirankan ebreti ya we yenam se wasemu biye ma han na mantete kwafo hunu nyansente fa asem ni mutumi ne kasa chile
ye tie sompa
ye be ya okase no yade wase asem ni ya yaresa asem no eye wogie asem ni ye kokobo asem ni ma abrante ye hwane musu yie asem no ma baba wada ne ho so asem no de showbo ni nkanyan ba asem ni biye ni pani eyi efiri ntete kwa yem ade ye konyansa hunumu ne ntiase mu wasem na meka mo asem yi asem ni yesusudua asem no ye husua pawa ena ehuhu sira wado esefa wasem so nsanchirene abo yesu na sira ni dimo na asem ni ye woja ebebiri ye hunseska kokko bishuwa no onyam ye okase wo a wo ye mane boro so no pa meyi wodima ni bi nko Kolebuji 37 Rich Hospital Police Hospital Amasama General Hospital Nsawam Government Hospital any the atwitwa enwo ahie na private hospital ekeka nwuna famoburo unu bowura ho na ye nipa adoye ebo Yesu ti asefo ni demo adumu atuntwenti bidofo baby a wo bia fa gidie ejeme amen kasiye pa I am not ashamed to do that because the gospel is the power of God unto salvation to everybody who believes. This is the second service of Sompa 106.5 FM. But tonight, Yesu and Bedi Yesu wa dance here. Ya tiase for the wiase ajinkwa emkwambo do no one year can wasam. Jina paisu sire wanyame basane na dom nenimu tuyane nenimu pa. The Bible said in Jeremiah chapter 8 verse 9 wanyame asam na wapuei eti yebe nyansa na wo eti ne yade asam panenam frise wo bi fa Kristo enche no ayeyi. I'm telling you, a people mu ka kra chire na ye Kristo no ayenhunu ne ntem na mka chire. You can dispute that.
Celebrate the name.
Because we are Ghana, yeah, oil producing nation. The PI, the gold producing nation. It be Tisia Montana, Mirania, maybe in Twingo year. I'm telling you, we'll be poor, Brady, our bread. Yesu kanan was mukwatimi ya muntimi nyawe. Anopai mesira babru nyankopon basa namasre natum surunko. Tiye di ambasa mno kikana anopai fado mno ngosri tiye bradi asam. The Bible said in 2 Chronicles chapter 7 and verse number 14, if the people in my people which are called by my name, the Bible said if they will humble themselves and if they will pray, if they will seek my face and turn away from their wicked ways. Nasamimaya will put me dim for a woman. Pray one was it. A bompaya reme would a deanim. And Tani one free one a quambody was. And your mere would a dimity, Mefri was sort of. The Bible said, Mesawa asase yadia asase timi yare asase etimi yare beti asase ye ansase bebre wo wiase baby e yare wo sha asase bi te say United Kingdom woman na chire ye nyame som woman na som anipa efiri miyaye wo sha obi te say papa makiyo was part of the missionaries in a free Scottish missionaries in a baba ye befa ye ebradia some yes a Bible said and nam say wa punim dienti ni ura den som Next time, mon friend, if I am Kodune. Yeah, for when if I am ya born, fa na Kodune. Etimide bua, Ediania no, a brana Tianina boo. Had a ye fellow beside sir. Nanyansani Bembiamun chan. The wisdom by which he spoke, the Bible said it was exceeding, it superseded the wisdom of men. Assemblity. Nanka Ghana you na sanka say nyansa no nyamkopon e de bidom yen free soro enum ne ade I'm telling you nkabola yen to be ngu abontene da kakwabra ne ngu abontene da obi wo amai bebre on ma me catch no say wo mu ni beach wo mo they treasure wo mo ko ba bi na wo mu no po wo mani je wo mani ka and all that. Look at the sea line from Keta right up to Axim. Sea line, shoreline. Obekona kwabra ni kitankrante tutu fomunne. Nyansa bowa, that is how it is. Tia semno. Osuru nyansa a bowa. Now so osuru nyansa betimi about the key is Jesus Christ. Opinya befa Kristo anu obi enani. Etimi me catch no and sorry no do no awo Ghana head na me si omunya Kristo hwe so obi hunu Kristo esu eban na ye bi wo hono mo awontimi nkom firi Yesu no wo ye han esum ni mu. And any time a Kristo ni baba betena wo bi mu wo yisum ni sum nyuma efiri se ni pani mu de han baba betena ni mo wenti na ye ni abra ye bo ne ho da wuro 50 kokatiri firi se wo bi sache na na dwene no fa Christ ne de ni ni wura ne kraje nkwa wo de ya wo fufure dware ye dware se ni pane de ni si konkonso tiasem ne bi ye and then gives that person the privilege and opportunity to experience what we call new life. A life no anka. It will be the same life. This time he is talking about a new life. Another name for this new life is Zoe life. Another name for this new life is eternal life. Another name for this new life is everlasting life. It will be a what in Mercury bay for no on young Christ. Obaso Gajam said Mercury bay food. Yeah, me call me mammy, sorry, who are bay food. Me maami asori ho wonyame fa me sutu abayifu bibiri ho akwabra ne timi hyem na adwuma ne se wa bahwe akiri no ma ti obi abo ho kum o ma we no yegu abayiguro one time wo don't joke with that obi ntimi entina asori dem wo hwe asori sika so enwie sika nhyɛ ne duro sum a wote asori wuntimi nka nkyere me si wonnim nyame. It is a new life. No American was some the same people with young movie. Hey, we went to me a preacher and the Megi, and so now we name Christo. Yaman Penny Dramani Mahama. Yen na yen ni mo man penny. Question. O man penny ni mo na. Question. Yen na yen ni mo man penny. Ye unu no baby. This is our president. But the truth is that the president doesn't know you. Woman onim se Ghana for but onim Ghana for see your freeway and your freeway Tony, your freeway Sia, your freeway. The president does not know you. Except the people he knows. Iti ye na no yeti ye fie ye si nim nyame. Question nyame nim wana. Men kase nyame nim wo se na bode ye. O nyame nim wo se ne ba ne de hye. Obi a modwa na dware wo. Awo fufure dware ye. E dware wo de adwensa kira brɛ wo. Tia. Se awo fufure dware ye dware wo bi. Enkunim die ba sa beto se nipa ne so a. I'm telling you, bone emumoyo that does not exist in that person. And what in what can Proverbs chapter 8 verse 13. Nyame suro ene bone time. Obia wo suro nyame time bone. Tia. O nyame suro ene bone time. O yiniema be miensa e wo sa verse ni. Eniema nyame chiri no obo niema miensa so. The Bible said, for the fear of the Lord is to hate evil, pride, arrogance, and an evil way. The Bible said, and the perverse mouth, the Bible said, I hate. And it was in Yamisuro and the bonnet time. I want chere, will be chere no. ɔtete ne ho nyame kyiri ahantan amumɔyɔ ɛne akontonkisɛm ɛna mekyiri awurade asɛm no ɛtinka wɔ bi ɛkɔ minister of state ne akyekyere na yɛde quotation wei atare ne instrument of a office no a Ghana flag wɔ hɔ no ne yɛde quotation wei atare ho yɛde ama no wote opposition phone boy ya no wafa ɛmmɔ mmienu ɛti wokɔ no te aseɛ sɛ nyame kyira ho kyerɛ obi a wɔkyerɛ no ho hwan kora na afiri na no akate wɔde ato air mode air flight mode Piasia, I told him we are ladies here or no, why the top, why the butter, why the wine and all that, why the boobs and all that. Ubi chem cry, sister, but champagne on camera. Who the freezers are molini bejaro? Is that? Who the freezers are molini bejaro? Samolini a bear, my war no, Samolini bear road draw so cure him. I just told you something. As I'm speaking to you right now, some will live for a busy chinkro for too much or draw some and if fear that now I'm talking to you, I'm telling you the mind of God. Many walk says here, some will live for chinkro for nufu ready to put them in boxes. I bet Tanasa sees what bet you or him for quotation it took screen so we are dealing with the word of God. The Bible said, "Everybody should only want to die." I want you to ahantai aquamone. Ya nyame ya chiwade ene ya kontonjisem. Kotema pop kohwe aquamone. What do you say kotema pop? Enkrofo di business abesi aban business. Ade esese agi duty 1 cedi. Da kwabrane eje 1 peswa. The akaniko bibutum no ababa betena ye fundraising wa sorry o body en no ababa gina ho usika kan no wodwene se asofo na ni gye wonte ye usenya ya gi atum usika kan no I'm telling you scan the obefedi but price the ube pay because bonne e wa akatua I'm telling you now see no or ka samachiro nyamisuro ne bonne time obi suro nyame mesu obi a wafa Christ we obi a wo suro nyame ahokyere kyere ne ho so much to the point that on fani pa bi anya hwe papa bi a menim no ye nkom hye wa alabasta ye mpaibo na ne ho nkom hye be pie ye awurade ma me bo ni dimpo ba bi a ye wo no date ye wo no adwuma wo ye the adwuma no de wakogye abefra mu and all that kind of thing be boss ansem ni na things are ne yire no anu ogina ho tie nkom hye ne kura de din no ka kire ko po ni kura ma ne ye o se hwan na ka ansem we ni kire o o se Kofi Oduro o se wahunu akwankyere di akire ne sebra o se menko onim se headlines brother ma me catch them ma me no so ngo kan kire ni kroni na asi efie ka kire ne se fie ka kire ne se fie no wotem no ye begye afri ne nsam yaje I'm telling you twam wo hoda biam timi tena se be hwene me se boni timi sini pa fri ne du ya so boni timi gia kukodro ne nam ye fri woni pa nsam ya boni timi bema esha ba no ya akpata sin esha eba no ya akpata it would disgrace you obia anka wiye nyame sofo akukodro fesa meteye wo de ahwa akukodro amede kasa kodim kwase adwaman achi ma wa yase ho hia enchen wo nkwaje na hwa ade akukodro amede kasa na ebeyira because of one little sin. I told him to say young girl I would tell as a suffer na the Beko hotel and I suffer ne find because I suffer munti and listen no one say ya what the animguasia what the bamano a biba Kenya me ma bia can when we bushing 40 years mamma okano when yamia she when yam say oh be anyone who bushing moi nanka dominion when yam shadan is to say me amete ye me kuro mu kwati ya me ma me abusuam the first nyame nipa ene Kofi Oduro opese me didi agro first sofo Iti wenyame wonye me bone eburu na ne yeton wa beka dwa so. Ena yehu ehunu yemo, but I can't joke with that kind of privilege. Iti uhwe nyame adwuma na ya fa no very high tension. Ya bo nyame ho dam ene ye de nam. Kristo no ya bo ne ho dam. Ready to die for him. Ye kasa ye de ye life now na ye de ye tie de me kaka no. Na wo nyame afre wo se sofo. Wa ware wo mbe eyire wo ma. Obi anyone wo ye wakono chen wo yire. Tibi jane to. The third I am to be tenasi munu say boni ankasa no efre ni pani to the point say we show we yire na me show mpra mitimi say we need it straight up mitimi say wani afra. Me shampra no a wagina ho no mitimi say wani afra. Hwede ye wo yire tie such a blessed endowed physique and portrait you na me hwem kram krampanya was ya wo girl ya bitimi hu say wakoma date chim. I'm telling you, dear. Wakoma date chim hwe driver for kokwan so fa do no ani afra. I'm telling you true. Driver ubufu kwa wona me no ka say. O oba wa anyinem, o oba wa nkoko, o oba wa sankare, o oba ewukumase, o oba ewotachiman, o oba ewusunyan, o oba ewokintampo, o oba wa tamale. Wonko enebrem de ga na ekoyi ni wiase ekoyi. Wa yase ne di wanim. Wa yase ene di wanim. Boys bebre on mo America say afi no ma sorry.
Sompa FM.
Eno a wo mo call club. Am Roberts and so cooperation. More Am Roberts a Ghana here na muntias ma me ne wo bekan. From now to December you be kunkum na. O pass achira wadwen e fa nsempani di. Police for mo fa ho nchew. Omo di hunu hia. Omo nyese omo de beche because omo hunu say ye de mo court na ye jamo mu kote ya na west of ne amamba say 3 years. Uko de chance amon ko ditrumu awia no abesina baba benina mo ha no menti this time round no mo fa mu ni agro. Who kitatu ko police ni so person no ehwe wa chase so the banka baby goons how boa. No, the point is I'm rob anu kutaji 3. Onukuta sophisticated gun. A TNT na police in here or no realm for ba. Ya when your police service more corner, you didn't make with your person who do be diagro. For windy agro. News no ya can come up. Me mammy akosia go abom no metina ha. Yeah, you are sorry near Rano. No first can what ya baba to offer near Renanim. Near Yama, that's uncle for which. No for 2 kobo police in your kuno. Obi papa eten the pick. They are car snatchers. What they care about Land Cruiser, Toyota Hilux, or Omatima cars or mope. And I drew Omushia we and why it is as would you keep a mount. Now by you want to say Kofi Oduro nominate the Akumadin DB Baba Kofi Oduro boat trimutu near kum. Papa no nyam for lovely man. Boy, you pony to without thinking about it once. Etam papanaka, yini to a bunting. Na ye nyawu binu or no ye ne yire. Na mababe tena hanmen kancho said the Lord will give you double portion to America. Jamwani subri wo. Huh? Jamwani subri. What are you talking about? Mishababi agana drunam timusa asasiri na yare. Ye hear Christ, ye hear Nkwaji, ye hear Yaresa, you free much anymore. I'm telling you the mind of God. What did the ambassador know, children? Here they are wanting so if you cast up any movie and tip. I'm not make catch them, you make catch them say, well, the young man penny jump Dramani Mahama, Upa, my Yesu Christ, Kramwa Betiano. I'm telling you the truth. Mampeni Yesu Christ, Obabe Mampeni. As an independent candidate, may say, any 1 year, Mobacasa Yesu Christo, money homode. Nansuni Yesuba and Finicum Afono, I did Yemunoa, and a yes, man. I'm telling you, dear Mampeni, a Kufuado, dear Tamil, so Kofu. Number 1, sanitation. Number 2, law enforcement. Dear one more, you know, say, and near maybe one more, yante. I'm telling you. Number 3, emumoyo akuma, the heart of iniquity. Utimi usa before no ho emuma yatuma akoma ne de ye wo bi obi to office see ya preaching am preaching nebu afu cause ono ote o working in lotto ote adwuma mu ho no working in lotto na akotena adwuma ho so go working lotto beko no obi abie ure free say ambulance fo ye fa maami ya wokowo ye ewu wo ambulance mu nikunu so ote ambulance mu na nkrofo ne e de maami no time e de ne beto ambulance ni e working lotto ambulance driver. A pregnant woman is dying in your car and you are working lottery. It me better. I have a gospel to preach and a savior to present. It can't use one some tears. Yes, you know, so said, yes, Christ, this generation, my young baby, my papa, and Kwasi, and this one, I am telling you the truth. Serious. And you may be on what I'm telling you. The didn't happen so copy share them or caught Danis Casisa for April Ebutu yet. The reason is because what should I send me here by power of you and I'm you're making a worse situation. Generation me timwe just a dear a tenor into me. No kuraya dear yanena bonsa ho. Gana chiwadia kasia no kure. As I'm speaking to you, we are a nation that have rejected truth. May can't you know the entire we are not seeing powerful and tangible power and miracles. Yena no more and power awesome moves of God. Me papa kwesi amwako ye kwayi wo Orion otimi gina okaso bia wo bi wo hospital koyi ne bra. Me say many soni ya di obi a wada kete soni ya chechire no ne ya de na ba Orion. I'm a comparable as resurrection power evangelistic ministry. And yeah, say Kofi na home, but no, many soon will be I didn't buy ya. No one to mean tenase, intimim pijani munua so the new America. Power is at work. When ya defua, or 4 girls were home. Now, no young man back who ye. Me share young ladies. Abe ye na se we di abe mu abe se bia 4 years we di abe mu abe ya abe se 3 years wo mu na ye sa nipa no awu ne ba wu wanya akukodura baba be ka se wotwede Abraham kukum otwede Abraham kukum kwasi a life say the Bible said mo ba ye hweso ediama a for no, the believers, you will be an example to them. Tiasemi Oba sword yamawamo. The Bible says, yes, didn't would giant, then we are so pet giant, basically for him being a miko to yes, didn't would giant, then we are so pet giant. Now, some science, Mumbianya said, yes, yeah. Yeah, it was this year pie and watch a bray and once a near toya boasia or the Yabayan Sopa. It's a hymn, and I'm able stanzas, you know, it will call catechism no more, or send them some bonny and manicasia, and we are young, maybe soon. Some say, many chiponi who be a mess, and some Johnny, no jaboni, and I'm a yamachin quadia cura. Matenasia, una money, a woman in Nidimo, me be woman, dear Nigia, and ya potoyama cassa, a radius, one of Metia, semimau, nami, una manemau, nami, woman, Metias, yomi woo, me ya wotia, it may kaya ye, Isaiah chapter 1 verse number 2 no oswosun muntie na asase nya so ewurade nyame ne wose manye mamu anyini enso abome soko efunu mu enimu onwura enyan enimu onwura dididaka na enso mema enime verse number 15 wose momo mamu nsa so na momo mpaye doso a meyi mani ahinta mo firi se moja aye mo nsem mama verse number 16 munnware mo ho monnwere mo ho na montwe mo mfiri bone ensua papa verse number 17 and 18 the Bible said na momra me ania mo bonity said damrama memna yese suchirema e brisen krawa meni su odwan ho nwie mo pre na mo pa mo bedi asase ne so ne pa verse number 20 mo tia afna be se mo we wo ho na obi a woji obi kunu no o se brama mompa e ma beje bisa kwa abruchiri we wo no kura wo say I didn't know at all. It I love Yesu nchire chire. Okay, can me to say Peter numno Matthew chapter number 5 verse number konwa a tifin juro and wo friend be poso asenka. I love it together with the series of asenka. You can free verse number your verse number 3 was in shirane ho here for one was sura hini no e won the verse number 4 in shira any one one wira who the Bible said one will be chichi one wira. Yes, you may preach you. Listen to the line of message you. She message no baby I would in nam. Verse number 5 in shira anyone what jua one will be nyasa in a d. Verse number 6 in shira anyone one tine come and this to come Ghana tini in shira anyone tine come and this to come a do. The Bible said na one will be my woman. Verse number 7 in shira ni mabro unufuo one will be unu mobo kai say from entiwoda and then I was rochina betimi atop from it in shira ni mabro unufuo. I'm talking to the wise. Verse number 8. That is my favorite. One will be Yankupon. Verse number 9 of Matthew chapter 5. Now one will be free Yankupon. Verse number 10. In Shirane mo one watine inti wata ya na one was sura hini one dia. I love verse 11. The Bible made a submission in the word of the Lord. Listen to that. In shira. Mama maninye. Nama honsepemo. Maketia sonwosoro. Maketia sonwosoro. Naturally, si bibi di wosoro hini. Maketia woho. Ye na hu aketia woho. Ye di kanfu e di kanko. Your papa no ye buanom, your papa bo pox and mum, your papa amuakunum, your papa ida hosanum, edikanfua a court is MK Yabua. Yeah, your papa Safo, Sheni Pabia Baba Som, Shakwaya, one fast some yana, the idea to 20 moon senses here will move papa. So for dear ye DNA the woman the will move the dear you're totally different. Sure baby a command one to me say your passions, your desires totally different and opposite. I'm telling you. But you know the entire will be to say MK Yabu because some as a council of state member one ye petrol that one certain allowance that. But you know the entire with him can because Cornwall call honor and certain allowance in Tino. Ye pe bibia you narrow the bar tin am ko crusade am catch do e ya wo say for front ni ete a wa chiwra fa wutika ko asema me de ba ye no wo de ye ka ho wuti wa che one plate mame na ye 80 cedis ya me ka no kura no na me kai wo wa che no eti wo ji wo bi kuna wa chiwra me ntimi nka wuti ase eti fa wa che na me nya kwan entimi ma ba asem ni mu yi eti crusade no offering fa alabaster me catch down straight say ye wadwene say wo offering nti no kure ye ntimi nka choba bi wo soro ha uduru wa agye nkate kwan jigu konkunteso ne di bara sempa na de emu no kure obete. I'm telling you the mind of God ti asem ni bi eti ye di Kristo no aye enhweso pa maye de na jaye ubi fa Kristo na brabo na etimi sesa timi unse no ye kwakwahwe abani afedi awurade apagya no with purpose and meaning to his life. Such a yaba wa nanka wo na wonye Kristo nti wahunu wasede ye sese wo ye amwani so ataw hwe ne ma bi yi. Any party has already demonstrated born in Womudi Umbedi. It will catch very clearly. 1 Peter chapter 4, verse number 7. Or the Atimu never has here free Yamifi. Or the best has here free as of one so. No, they call. Or they shall see a free nyame. That is how it's going to work. Now I'm a man who baby a temu no ekwa ma temu ne so na odi akogina nyame fie kwa yafuom ho na odi ekọ otama temu no na odi kọ oshafuom otama temu no na odi kọ asofo maame so tia asema ye kika ne you. I'm seriously telling you the mind of God. O ma temu ne so na odi atemu no enam
ya boy
one more a kind offering. Yeah. No, they call. Now you're quoting him. Let me get a quotation right for you. 1 Peter chapter number 3. Because 4. Okay, go to verse number 17, my darling brother. Chapter 4 and verse number 17. Let me get it right. Instead of 7, it's 17. Ebraso sa wodi atemu no free wonyankopon fie. The Bible say na efree yeso kanea ebewie wo mo a anyi wonyame asempa no enni sen na kire se obi pu asempa na ho asodwen wo ho. The Bible said wo mo nim no oyo ye no ye be hwi wo mu pi sister ye be hwi wo mu pi e ma pi wo o Pastor Rich o da kolebu I see you. Ehona mi hunu se enkurofo ede adwen kase nenam health workers ni bi ma menka bi you na papa bia o supply in local kire hin se omo tro prescription no yen supply ni na because there is a daily prescription it omo order se bia omo pe 2 a yemfa wanko na me say de bia we mu hia mo say me we adwuma we mo for a long time t they started see check prescriptions. Interestingly, they didn't complain. Kwesi da be upon sorry Pastor Rich is in the ICU with 2 major operations, and I got a call through my assistant said omo here a particular a druby, it's an IV, but they a drew. And I say drew no, ebi ni Ghana, Tio, ebi ni Ghana ha. Etu onipa no a was supply enuru no. Or the free abrochire ebe plane landi enyumre na dispatch jina ho. Or G a drew no a straight to Kolebu. And as what the kokoko to warehouse no, a walk Kolebu traffic light junction no. Omo ye ya no akwa could deliver. It be ni Ghana ha. I mean say me will be. Nam su will be way. Also me will be ICU ha. Nam su will be a drugstore ICU ho. Will be a drugstore ICU ho. Are you serious? Mechio pharmacies, the whole Ghana. Obi ani adroni bi. Then na unya bi. Obidia kodi baby. Send power and so ya sorry ba. It will catch it also the atemu ne kwa has every nyame fia. You better believe. Sister, atemu da be hu. Men na me catch it out. Inipa nam kwa so ko bunsam jem do so men nam catch it out. Atemu da be hu chemi bia. I'm seriously talking to the wise. When ya drip ni bi eduro no Americano. When you be ICU, ye chingana had na 2 weeks, ye drone, and Sunday start to cry. And then when you be, and that is deals and growth. It will be the carbon or trifum, will be the carbon a year under invoicing, mano, will be the near my bunny a year under invoicing. Obi adwuma no enti wamko straight up wamko catch him say no ye enipa ntro duty ni bi ye nyini e mangu ho bi enkan na trade duty ye this be first scanner no would determine by an artificial intelligence and say that this is this obi say any am be call position adwia say papa
Say in Sim Hunu, I did and be a wa bruchiri. Kona kohwe nipa wo mo kura nye communion mo motons enye esubo kona kohwe dwen nipa adwene. It the Bible said in Exodus chapter number 31 verse number 3. You have free verse number 1. Verse number 1. Exodus 31 verse 1 to 3. The Bible was speaking about Bezalel. The Bible, he was talking about Bezalel. Now Bezalel has someone Bible was very interesting. The Bible said, and the Lord spake unto Moses, saying, in the next verse, he said, my friend, my bo, horriba, hey, any Bezalel will free you, the Busiakunimud, edin afreno. Verse number 3, the Bible said, Namede, Unyankupon home, Ashenema, Nyansa, Eunumuni nimdia, any Ajay would do, Ajay, Sajay, would do. Mama Bezalel Adrian was a Bezalel Kokojune. Kona Koji. Wouldn't say it 3. A come see Wagana Hano. Now your oil. Sister, ya nyina kombe di you. It 3 come see, you know, not Ghana our oil and gas. But if you refuse to think, it will nyamia samunukura will put you into the regimental place. Jenny, Koko Jenny. If you refuse to think, Koko Jenny, and career, and police if what you will be one career. Ukoria police armored vehicle. Can you imagine what I just said? Ghana, how will be a armored vehicle? Ngwasi adwene Satan so de ngwasi apani pa o wotimi fra woni pani mani pani timi di bone akoto amumoyo bi mu a wodwene ho antimi ntiase Richard me I don't get this one seriously.
Ya branding no police o. Ya branding car no police.
Ya branding armored vehicle no police.
Blue color.
Blue color. Wose me kwa wia car.
They serious.
Can you imagine that? Now, who we are can know the question? Good question. Police armored vehicle. No? Who we are question? Operation. Really? And you say, "Tana dream for me." Korea police. When you be at the say police, obi entry armored vehicle wa Ghana. It is a who could spray who akwa kutwia. And na what the armored vehicle no kofa. Bezalel mama na dwen wo do fa kodwene. Me te Ghana ha me hwe problems, so many problems. We have refused to think. We are refusing to think. Now we go to hospital. We run hospital, a government hospital. We run hospital, and we say, "What do know when you pakodano? One day, 1,500. One day." The neighbor pay man on and be said, what about medication? Yeah, they no say another bill. It's okay. Young kind of pay word had at least Yakra will get at least about 150 people. Now you multiply 150 by 150. Now you have medications and income as men fancy be 2,000 a day for everybody. When I'll be who say, Yenia Charles, Emisa, Wona we and Amphas will be anything. Ambulance, a war Ghana, hey, say ye disio. I'm a NHS. NHS is the National Health Service of the United Kingdom. Atana Bruch, the Matana UK. It mean said the system no working. Mabra ambulance mo. Ambulance have a family fear hospital that meaning how the system works. A Christo for Muntia Semno. Namu refuse some obedient a common bruta. Tia diamino keka. Se ambulance family. Na or the make a hospital. Bibia a war hospital hono. Ibi wa ambulance. Ye ambulance ye ne namu ye entesa. Iti omo fawa omo ho prewo. Se omo de wo beko baby ya emwa wo. Se ambulance ne family wo UK ekwan mu ene bia ekwan si ontimi nko ha no. Because adie bia or hospital no. Ibi wo ambulance, including a doctor. Ambulance. There are medics in the ambulance. Nipa no mbe found no ye doctors, a nurse and a doctor. Baako na driver car no na baako tenche. Or a nurse and doctor and a doctor. They can help you without a hospital. Yeah, tiase bed in here. And yeah, COVID no a woman but said you Aburuchile de nanki be wu se ense. I'm seriously telling you something. Mabazalia James Abazalia of Fakogune. Go and think. And you joke. Kokogune. Bazalia, go and think. Kokogune. Etimu refuses some of Junior. Sikasama na make a about the hospital. It means that we can turn Kolebu into the best hospital in Africa. But don't want the entire the moving corn to kuta Kofi Oduro kuma nibi. Hey, wo ya you the way free and all that. Oman to a drawer. Umbe you eti. Oman you eti. I bet transfer. Ombe ye demonstration eti because a human was and ubin so the need ya be sim. Omu didi mudos. Eti asia. Eti. As our food now, because no more presiding elders, no presbyters were sorry there. It would now would dream maybe what to me say, and here maybe you street. Nagana answer to you know, don't blame any government. Government being will be to me a boamo. Go a come and say, Tia, I mean, okay, cano. She just why you did it free ho. Chef from in so tough from baby I yet on with Diane, which you say, you know, straight up. But what catch the bezelia, I didn't remember the Utimuqua. Ubiba Behunu Christo, command what the mouth, I didn't know what the mouth self. Go and use it. Oh, Tigana highway to be the Ubiqua, say, you're the not to ambulance, you're the more call another hospital, acquire a scan. Are you serious? Hospital ba kono a wo no bibi ni ho enti ye kohwe a de kuro ni bi. Are you people serious? Etu kokremoni kuru so kohwe bi te say Oman, Jordan, the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, ko be te say Bahrain, Qatar, kohwe ade. Yenuanom nkremufo kona kohwe ade. Obebo wonsem. Motie buttons, moje communion. Eje catechism. Kwabranet wikidia wobe bo no. Ubedwane. Be a store netam a Christopher ni sia no. Hona obe hunu se dodo no adwen ase. Ba maybe obi a store very close to Alabaster Tesano. Ni juma ne so. Story ya make my last thing na fe mu me phone line. Neti the Americano. My men on the gift can see a people skills, human relations. Who's only ye me so for back and yamen qua obi obepie ye bemen na would ye yameto nebu on the people skills. Crawford sister not dear. At the end of one city or better than the end so 80 pesos. There question she go fast this girl be free the crew. The man me family ben gon grandma me family no den buy. Girl ne be far boy we you memo. Omo start is wo mu wi ama. Omu Kofi na rubber kuta. Omu Kofi na rubber. Omu via na DBA containers. Omu via ni ye we no mu na wie. Unim say ma me no na wo one cry and a dime you know one cry ha. Wesley gone back. Awishi back. Oton dan ni you know na. A dime wo ni kru moton. Me no ka say ma me ne teche me ho bi mu abeka. Because asi adwen fo no e de Bible rebutu wo muti. Abi wi anagu adwuma. Bisa me say na ye den. Wo mo nso de wo mo koye ye no. Agu.
Ebegu.
Bidi wo hye Bible Nyankopɔn nsa. Nyame yɛgya ɔba ho kronkron. Awurade mfa na dɔe ne nadom emmoa. Ewo Yesu na sere ne ni di mu nim Kristo wo mfa ne nye wura na okra je nkwa fa nsa to boka se Awurade Yesu. Ena no pay. Me Kofi Oduro bodin. Fa me bone cheme. Chiro me din won kwan me ne. Ma menya body ye foforo. Ene wo Nyankopɔn ba. Adom ne nti. Amen. Let me finish up and then we are on
Sompa
our way
FM.
to
Ya boy! Ya back Sompa. This is Sompa.
Let me, Rich, what we are going to do is that we are going to pray for only 4 minutes and then you will open the phone line. We have 10 minutes to go. We'll open the phone lines. For the dedication of the Uncommon Faith Cathedral, Mama Christie at Solid Rock Chapel.